Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. It's another hair tutorial. I've already parted the hair, so let me show you all how I did that. At the back, I made 3 straight rows and the last row ended at the upper side of her ear. After that, I made about 5 U rows. For the installation of the passion twist, I started by braiding and twisting the parted hair one at a time. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. The passion twist serves as 2 strands and the real hair serves as the 3rd strand. I braided for about an inch, smooth the real hair with edge, then combine the real hair to one side of the passion twist and twist the entire length. Please guys, continue watching as I repeat the process. Here at the front, let me go over the process one more time. The real hair serves as 4 strands, the passion twist serves as the 2nd and 3rd strands. With the 3 strands, you braid for about an inch. Smooth the natural hair with edge, then take the real hair to one side of the passion twist and twist the entire length. I trust you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you all soon.